Hello dear friends. I am Himant. Welcome back to my second video. If you haven't watched my first video, please watch, which explains about earning opportunities. In this video we discuss about incomes, evolution of currency, and blockchain technology. Let us start with incomes. What is income? Money received for your work, especially on a regular basis like weekly or monthly, in the form of salary. There are two types of income: one active income, and another passive income. If money received from performing a services is an active income, here you directly work for money. Passive income is income that requires little or no effort to earn and maintain. You make others to work for you. When you start putting little more effort to grow, is called as progressive passive income. You don't work for money. Instead you make others to work for money. Here I have some examples or categories to explain you. First one. Self-employed. They get projects from some company, work day and night, give solution, or make some product prototypes, and get paid. This falls under active income. Second. Employed. They work in some company and get paid in the form of salary, weekly or monthly. This is active income. Third one. Businessmen. They have money. They will invest on some project and employ peoples to work for them. So, they make peoples to work, but they only manage peoples. This falls under passive income. Last one. Investor. These peoples have money. They will invest on some running businesses. Neither they work, nor they manage any people. They get paid for the project's profit. This is passive income. You can fix yourself in which category you fall in. Remember, it is not that important in which category you fall in. Are you satisfied with current income? Or you want to have a parallel passive income, which could fall into extra earnings and make you financially stable? That's you need to think of. Let's see evolution of currency. First, trading started with exchange of goods. This system we call as barter system. For example, exchange of grains. Then people started to use gold as exchange currency. Then they started coins with value. Here coin used to buy goods. Then currency started in the form paper notes or paper bills. Then the currency exchange started through ATMs, which is called as plastic currency. Trading using these debit cards and credit cards. Nowadays, we are using electronic money, like we have Phone Pay, Google Pay, bank's application, etc. in our mobile. And we do trade. That is, we buy products from stores. There is one more currency, started in 2008, which is digital currency. They are called as cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency means cryptographical functions are generated in financial transactions. These are not physically printed currency, but they are in electronically coded form. The first cryptocurrency started as Bitcoin. They say that cryptocurrency is a future currency, which can be accepted internationally. Bharat is also looking to update to digital currency, by which we also can compete with the world in financial status. Let me conclude this with small story. You know Nokia Mobile? Once upon a time, Nokia mobiles ruled the market. When most of the cell phones updated with andiron, Nokia didn't get updated. Instead they did something else, because of which Nokia vanished from market. Now their mobile is coming up with Android application. One more story. There was a time. Most of Bharat citizen do not have bank account and ATM card. But when running currency got banned, everybody forced to a bank account and ATM card for the financial transactions. This concludes. If you don't update with the world, you will be forced to update it with fine. Let us understand blockchain technology and Bitcoin. Here let us know about centralized and decentralized systems. Let me tell you a story. Imagine, I want to send money to you. Traditionally, this is done through a trusted third party, that is through bank or credit card company. For the sake of the example, let's say that I live in Bangalore, while you lives in your place. When I want to send some money to you, I give the details of your account to third party. In return, the third party will identify your account existence and deposits to your bank account. While depositing, the bank will take small amount of transaction fee from my account. Now, the entire concept behind the blockchain technology focuses on the elimination of that trusted third party, the middleman. Since the video is about earnings and cryptocurrency, I will take examples in financial background to explain centralized and decentralized systems. Now let's understand term ledger in bank. Most of you know that there will be ledger in the banks, which keeps the record of all the transactions. There is term called as open ledger. Open ledger is the one which can be accessed by anyone in that network. Anyone can view these details of transactions. The network saves all transaction data in one centralized ledger. That is a system, which is a server. If anyone hacks this server and changes data entry, everyone will lose their money or data in that network. This is called as centralized system. Another system is decentralized system, which uses the concept of distributed ledger technology. This decentralized system is also same as open ledger, but the difference is everyone in that network owns the copy of the ledger in network computer that is called as nodes. So here the ledger is distributed to all the network computers, which means there is not only one server. Every network computer will act as a server. This is very hard to hack each network computer and change the entries. This concept of distributed ledger technology is used in blockchain technology. That's why the cryptocurrencies, which are created from blockchain technology, are safe, secure, and impossible to hack. That's why the blockchain technology is a peer-to-peer file sharing system. That is, every participant has the copy of ledger. In addition, the blockchain aims to complete this transaction process much faster than the current system, almost instantly. Finally, the blockchain attempts to do this process at a much lower rate, that is very low transaction fees. Let us know properties of distributed ledger technology. 1. Blockchain technology is programmable, which creates smart contracts with each participant. Generation of smart contracts is automatic. 2. Each network participants will have copy of the smart contract ledger in the form of codes. This is distributed to all participants to have transparency. 3. The above smart contract cannot be terminated from anyone, so it's immutable. 4. Every block is recorder for every transaction, so timestamp on each transaction maintained. 5. Since blocks created are in codes. All the participants are anonymous or with secret names, that is pseudonymous. 6. Since every block are created with individual codes, it is secure. 7. Last but not least, all the network participants agree to validity of the records with smart contract, which is transparent to the participants. This is unanimous. This concludes about blockchain and distributed ledger technology. The 2008 financial crisis caused many people to lose their trust on banks as trusted third parties. At the same time, Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto used blockchain technology and generated a first cryptocurrency in the name of Bitcoin. At the time, Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto created 21 million Bitcoins. These coins neither be added nor be removed from the nodes. Even the Satoshi Nakamoto also cannot control or remove the Bitcoin. Since of limited supply of Bitcoin, the value of Bitcoin increases as the participants increase. That is the reason this is mainly called as peer-to-peer file sharing system. Centralization and decentralization are the two types of structures that can be found in the organization, government, management, and even in purchasing. Centralization of authority means the power of planning and decision-making are exclusively in the hands of top management. It alludes to the concentration of all the powers at the apex level. Centralized system will have a boss who has all the authority and power to take decisions. The others are considered as workers, and they have to follow the orders given by the boss. Workers do not have any power or authority to take any decisions. On the other hand, decentralization refers to the dissemination of powers by the top management to the middle or low-level management. It is the delegation of authority at all the levels of management. Decentralized system will not have any boss, but the participants in this program will be of their own boss. They will have equal authority and power to take decisions. The blockchain technology is a decentralized system of program which runs on distribution of powers and authority. That's why this is safe and secure. These type of programs cannot be hacked by hackers. The Forsage is also a blockchain technology-based project. This cannot be hacked or terminated by any authority. The inventor of this project, Forsage, is one of the investor in this project. Other than that, he do not have any authority or power to control the program. Let us understand difference between Chainlink platform and crowdfunding platform. Consider you are doing some MLM business in which you have to introduce two persons below you by buying products from the company through your upper line leader. You are going to sell the products to your lower line, two candidates. Then you have to motivate them to increase the selling for your profit. Here you will have time limit to make business and also product value limit. To retain your account, you need to buy every month some standard products from your upper line, or else your account will be closed. There is limitation of time, limitation of investment. Here you must have good amount of investment and selling skills. Also, team building tactics. If your lower line participants make profit, that will be shared to you with some percentage. If your upper line participants make good business, then you won't get anything from your upper line participant. The profit is always given to you every month. On particular day, you will have product to sell to grow in this platform. In crowdfunding, you will invest as minimum as you could do. But you're not buying any product or service. The investment might be your one day's hotel bill, or a movie ticket, or a day's salary. When you invest, the investment amount will be deposited to your introducer. That is the person who introduced you to this business. You might introduce anyone, or you may not. Let's consider you introduce anyone a person. Consider the one you introduced will invest that investment instantly deposited to your account without any delay when he or she joins from your reference. As the crowd increases, your earning increases. This crowdfunding is based on community building process. There is no product, there is no service, there is no hidden charges. Thank you for watching this video and your time. Watch my next video, which is on Project Forsage. Understand the potential of the project. See you in next video.